You're playing a game and notice something doesn't look right. So you go into your game settings, but do you turn VSync on or off? VSync is a technology that syncs your game's frame rate and monitors refresh rate to reduce screen tearing. Refresh rate is how many times your screen updates per second. So a 120 Hz monitor can refresh up to 120 times per second. Frame rate is how many frames your graphics card renders per second, or FPS. When your refresh rate and frame rate are out of sync, your graphics card will send a new frame before your monitor finishes drawing the last one. So you'll see parts of two different frames at once. This is known as screen tearing. By turning on VSync, your GPU won't send a new frame until your monitor is done with its refresh cycle, which reduces screen tearing. However, this means VSync will cap your FPS at your monitor's max refresh rate. Plus, VSync can also cause lagging issues. When your graphics card renders a frame, it sends it to a buffer, where it might wait briefly before being displayed. That means it might take an extra frame or two between when you press a button and your input appears on screen. VSync can also cause stuttering issues when your frame rate drops below your refresh rate. For example, if your game is running at 55 FPS on a 60 Hz monitor, VSync might drop your frame rate down to 30 FPS to stay in sync. This might make your game feel choppy or less responsive. So, you should really only turn VSync on if you're noticing screen tearing. You can turn on VSync in your game settings, but it's better to disable it in-game and enable it in the NVIDIA control panel. To turn on VSync, click the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen and type NVIDIA control panel. Then select Open and go to 3D Settings, Manage 3D Settings. Finally, select Vertical Sync, change it to On, and click Apply. You can also choose Adaptive Sync to enable VSync at high frame rates, but disable it when your FPS drops below your refresh rate to reduce stuttering. Fast reduces tearing and input lag, but only when your frame rate stays well above your refresh rate. Use the 3D application setting means your game will control VSync instead of the control panel, so you'll need to turn it on or off in your game's settings. From here, you can also enable G-Sync if your monitor supports it. This technology basically flips how VSync works. Instead of locking your frame rate to your refresh rate, G-Sync lets your monitor adjust its refresh rate to match your frame rate. When both are enabled, G-Sync will smooth out lower frame rates, while VSync will help prevent tearing at higher frame rates. All you need to do is go to Setup G-Sync and check the box next to Enable G-Sync. Finally, make sure to click Apply. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.